friends were saying, don't try it, cause you won't like it. But I tried and I like it. So I don't go the places I used to go, embraces. I don't have the time for kid games, bicycle trains, and those kind of things. You see, I found better ways to spend my time since I met this girl of mine. And I'm not ashamed to tell the world I'm in love. Oh yeah, so in love. I'm in love. Oh yeah, I'm so in love. Oh yeah. I don't run with the little gang I used to run with and do bad things. Some of my friends say, hey, I lost my cool. Some of them even call me a fool. But you see, I just found better ways to spend my time since I met this girl of mine. And I'm not ashamed to tell the world I'm in love. Oh yeah, I'm so in love. I'm in love. Oh yeah, I'm so in love. Oh yeah. You ought to try it. You'll like it. Love's alright, y'all. Show love now. Try it. You like it. Don't listen to no hearsay. Cause I feel like a baby with a brand new toy that his mommy bought him to bring him more